Hello and welcome to Creative Nerds. In this screencast we'll be sharing with you how you can use Photoshop to resize images. So firstly we want to head over to Image Size. This will bring up the Image Size dialog box, which gives you the current width and the current height of the existing image that you have opened in Photoshop. You can change the unit measurement to be pixels, inches, centimeters. And then from there we're going to use it as pixels, and if you ensure the linked button is pressed, this will ensure that when you resize the image, change the pixels for example to 3000, it will change it so it will be scaled down so the image will remain in its proportion, so it won't look distorted when you resize the width. So from here we can make it a smaller width, or we can look at making it a smaller height if it needs to be in a specific height. And then once we're happy with the changes, simply select OK, and that will resize down our image to the dimensions that we specified within that dialog box. Another way to resize the image within Photoshop is if you select Ctrl T on that specific layer, hold on to Shift and simply drag from the corner anchor point. That will allow you to resize the image. So two different methods for resizing images within Photoshop. Hope this has been a useful technique and tutorial which you can refer to in the future. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to Creative Nerds for further quick tips on how to use Photoshop.